Aloha and welcome to Hanalei, Kauai's crown jewel on the North Shore. This sacred land, named Crescent Bay in Hawaiian, was a thriving native Hawaiian community for centuries. Taro fields in the Hanalei Valley are still cultivated today, and by the 19th century, Hanalei became a port for whalers and traders, with the historic pier built in 1912, serving as a lifeline for rice and taro exports until tourism took root in the 20th century. Spanning 2 miles, Hanalei Bay is one of Kauai's largest beaches. The popular bay draws locals and tourists alike, so expect crowds, especially in the summer. The sand is a soft, dusty powder, and local surfers and bodyboarders rip waves at legendary surf breaks like Pine Trees and Waikoko, with surf lessons available for all skill levels. Families picnic near the pier in a large park area, keeping the vibe lively with beach volleyball and frisbee. After rain, the Hanalei River can turn the water muddy, but the energy stays high. Hanalei Bay is an adventure hub. Rent kayaks or paddleboards near the pier to explore the bay's calm waters, paddle up the Hanalei River, or fish along the river's edge. Nearby, Black Pot Beach Park offers camping by the river, perfect for stargazing after a day on the water. After a day of play, grab some shave ice or Ono grinds in Hanalei Town, just steps away. Next time you're in Kauai, don't miss this incredible spot. Mahalo for watching and stay tuned for more episodes.